Hey guys, Josh Wilson here with Forex Successful Traders, shooting this video today in sunny Seattle, Washington. It's completely bluebird out here, gorgeous day. But the reason I wanted to shoot the video was specifically for what happened this morning out of Europe. We had the ECB President Draghi come out and cut rates by 10 basis points, which definitely brought in some volatility for the euro and also other currency pairs across the board. So wanted to share a couple examples of trades I took this morning and also some tips that I learned back in 2008 that helped me out today and I think you guys may benefit from as well. Anyways, we'll jump over to the screen recording and get straight into the trades.
Alright, so we have the euro dollar over here on the left with a 5-minute chart, euro yen on the right with a 5-minute chart, and this huge red candle you see here on each of the charts, that's when ECB came out and dropped the interest rates down 10 basis points, depreciating the euro across the board here. Back in the day, you know, I would have been trying to buy this down here and trade counter trend. And my overall style typically is counter trend, but you got to understand the different market conditions that you're in, and especially if it's tied to interest rates, that's a complete sentiment changer, and it's something you really don't want to fight. So what I did this morning, and I was pretty much set on my hands through this initial move, and when we got the retracement back up here, we made a high of 30.41. I went ahead and took 4 sell positions, 4 lots, right around the 39 level, 38.8. I took 1 lot off for 13 points, just to lock in a little bit. And I've been watching the euro dollar and euro yen as we continue to fall here and getting ready to lock in actually a couple more lots. Take 2 more lots off, just over, actually probably right around $2,000 by the time commissions is done. And doing the same here with euro yen. Gonna go ahead and just take 2 lots off and lock in about another $900 on this one. My position size was off here. And what I'll do from here is go ahead and let the other position run. Tomorrow we got non-farm payrolls. It's another day that can definitely shake up the market. And if we see numbers come out better for the U.S., we could definitely see a continuation of this euro dollar playing off the euro weakness and the dollar strength. And we may see a follow through with the euro yen. Worst case scenario, I already have 20 points locked in of each of these trades. So, you know, if I do get stopped out on these other 2 positions, lock in another 400. But as of now, it's been a phenomenal day. This is definitely one of my bigger trading days of the summer so far this year. And it all goes back to a couple things, you know, I learned back in 2008. 1, not trading counter trend directly after interest rates have been announced. And 2, trading other currency pairs that necessarily aren't tied to the interest rates but are still seeing volatile market conditions. So, for example, in the room today, we advised a lot of new traders not even to trade any of the euro pairs, but look at other currency pairs to see if there's opportunities. And I had the Aussie dollar pulled up here on a 1-minute chart. And we had a great sell opportunity on Aussie dollar that a lot of people took advantage of. Some people 10 points, other people holding on for a little bit longer. But got a really nice bounce overall from the Aussie. And same with the dollar yen. With a buy opportunity, you can see down here the green arrow. It's one of our buy strategies when the market comes down into the green area on the matrix. So just because interest rates came out of Europe doesn't mean there's not other opportunities in other currency pairs.
So the main thing to take away from this video, guys, is first off, if you're a new trader, stay away from these fundamental news announcements, whether it's interest rates, non-farm payroll, core CPI, anything that's highlighted in red when you go to forexfactory.com. If you've been trading for a while and you're trying to get into fundamental news trading or trying to optimize what you're currently doing, a couple pieces of advice that my mentor gave me back in 08 that played a huge role in today's market activity is first off, waiting for the retracement, not trading the initial move. So when you trade the initial move, typically what happens is spreads are extremely wide, so it's very expensive to trade it first off. Second off, the market's moving so fast you typically get slipped and don't get filled at the price you want to. So if you wait for the initial move, the market will retrace at some point. Try to play off that first initial move and allow the momentum to get you in a position to where you could possibly scale it out like we had the opportunity to do so today. The second piece of advice is don't solely stay focused on that currency that has news coming out. So today we had Aussie dollar, we had dollar yen, both provide great trading opportunities with 20 points each. So, you know, volatility typically carries over from different currency pairs. So it's not just in euro dollar, not just in euro yen. It's across the board when something like that comes out. So keep your eyes open. If you guys are interested in seeing what we do in live market conditions, the first Friday of every month, we open up our live online training room so you can come in, check us out, and actually trade non-farm payrolls with us. If you're interested, there'll be a link near this video you can click on and sign up for. If not, I hope you guys are still able to take something away from this video. But anyways, you guys have a phenomenal day out there. Stay safe, and we'll see you here soon. Take care.